Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best dash cams in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Garmin 0-10-0 2000 50400 Dashcam Mini 2, tiny size, 1080 and 140-degree FOV. Monitor your vehicle while away with /new connected features, voice control, black. Car key-sized dash camera mounts discreetly behind rearview mirror and goes virtually unnoticed. Automatically records and saves video of incidents. Wide 140-degree lens records 1080p video with Garmin Clarity HDR optics for crisp, detailed day and night. Voice control, only available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish. Lets you use spoken commands to save video, start/stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more. Saved videos automatically upload via Wi-Fi connection to the secure online vault to view and share later. Number 2. Reteed High GRF 7 and 4K Dashcam front and rear, built-in Wi-Fi GPS 4K Plus, 1080p dual dash camera for cars. 3.18-inch display dashcam, 170 degrees wide-angle dashboard camera recorder, night vision parking monitor. Ultra HD 4K Plus 1080p dual dashcam, featuring top-quality 4K front camera and 1080p rear cam. The ORIDTI GR dashcam is able to capture more detailed images, including street signs and license plates. Additionally, with wide-angle camera, the dashcam is with extended views and less blind spots. Built-in GPS tracking and Wi-Fi connection. The built-in GPS module enables the dashcam to precisely pinpoint the vehicle's location and routes on the map. The data can be viewed via the Redditor app on your smart device. Number 1. RUV R2 4K Dashcam, built-in Wi-Fi GPS car dashboard camera recorder with UHD 2160p, 2.4 IPS screen, 150 degrees wide-angle DVR, night vision. 4K Ultra HD recording. The RUV R2 4K dash camera can record videos up to a resolution of 2160p. The Ultra HD video recording quality is so good that you will notice so much more clarity and quality difference than all other car dash cams. Revolutionary Super Night Vision technology. 6 glass lens plus f1.5 aperture plus Teson IMX 335. Helps to get comparatively clearer footage and images from the recording in low light conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi 6. Use the ROV app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone at a speed of up to 6 Mbps, and then easily share these on social media with friends and family.